Thruster
What was that?
malfunction.
You're
Thruster
getting an alarm.
malfunction.
Oh
Thruster
no, are you
malfunction.
kidding me?
Thruster
The
malfunction.
darn thruster packs
Thruster
ain't working
malfunction.
again.
Thruster
What the
malfunction.
frack is going on
Thruster
here?
malfunction. Thruster malfunction.
You gotta be kidding
Thruster
me, man.
malfunction.
I
Thruster malfunction.
don't know what's going
Thruster
on, but
malfunction.
dang,
Thruster
the thruster
malfunction.
pack is not
Thruster
working.
malfunction.
Not too
Thruster
far away from
malfunction.
maxing our station there, but trying to land those planet here, and we're having a little hard time because the thruster packs is just, oh man, and that alarm just driving me, oh, that alarm just driving me nuts. Oh goodness, it is. Oh man, damn, help. Damn, that was a rough one. Oh man, man. Do a little figure in here and. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. You gotta be kidding me. Thruster packs are out. They're out. And I have nothing in my GoPro Platinum strips. I'm flat brokey. I don't have anything in here. Oh, man. Man. I'm not, Yes, I have to call Sci-Fi Moron, see if he can tow me over there to Exonar, Planet Exonar, so we can get this darn thing fixed again. I spent all that gold pressed latinum, and we're broke less than 2 months. That ain't good. That is not good at all. Not good for business. And I had a few strips left, and I bought stock so I can resell. And reselling right now is not doing too good. Not doing good at all. So I might be out of business because if I don't get this ship repaired, I'm done for darn good. I'm done. Man, oh man, oh man. I am done. I won't be able to do anything. Only one that keep me going will be Sci-Fi Moron. He just keep on selling for me, and he's doing pretty good on selling. I don't know if he's making any profits or not, but he's doing a heck of a lot better than I am, so I'll give him a call and see if he can come over and help me out. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go. We can sound better now. Here, that's a lot better. Oh yeah, this voice is a lot better. Oh yeah, okay, yeah. How about this voice? This voice a lot better. I got a lot of choices of voices here. Oh man, yeah, he even sound like Fighty Frankie there. I can do his voice too. Yeah, that's really good, really good. There we we go. We got our voice here back here again. Yeah, here we go. I just got a call from Father Ferengi. His thruster pack broke again. I guess those Federation morons wasn't that good to help on the Ferengi ship. They got the diagram of the engines and tore it all apart and still couldn't fix it right. But I tell you a little secret. I paid one of those technicians, not a Federation technician, but a different one, to put a little broken wrench in there so it'll screw up. And evidently, that's what happened. Yeah, it broke. And he's close to planet Exonar. And he wants me to come over and tractor beam him all the way over there. But he's got no money. He has no gold pressed platinum at all. He don't have any gold pressed platinum. I ain't telling how much I got. I got a full bag. I got a full bag here. Yeah, I ain't telling what I got. Oh, man. Well, guess I go tractor beam the old man to Planet Exonar so they can figure out what to do, but I have to talk to that technician and see if he did what I asked him to do. I'm laughing my gears.
Chief Engineer Red, personal log. Heard from my friend at Axonar Planet at the repair station over there that the Ferengi was tractor beamed in by his android, sci-fi moron. He had a tough time landing that ship. The thruster pack unit that controls all the thrusters, it's shot. It's a piece of junk. It needs to be replaced. I mean, like I said before, got in there. Looks like someone took a samurai sword or something and just hacked all those wires and everything and all the modules and everything that's inside there. Just really messed it up big time. It really needs to be replaced. I did recommend that to the top engineer over there, but they figured, hey, we got the diagram for the ship. We'll go ahead and try to rebuild the darn thing. Well, we try to rebuild the fracking thing, but it's just so darn far gone. It just needs to be replaced. That's just the way it is. But here's the problem. Well, for Ferengi Trader, they don't make a whole lot of gold pressed latinum. It's going to cost between 5 to 10 bars. I'm talking bars of gold pressed latinum to replace that unit. And once that thruster pack unit is replaced, it can go anywhere in the galaxy it wants. It has no issues at all. But it is going to cost to get that replaced. And I'm pretty sure he's going to respond to that and probably try to contact the Admiral. Is he going to try to contact Admiral Bullshank? Oh, no. Don't do that. No. Admiral Bullshank, he's a mean old guy. He wants to retire, but whoo, you don't want to get him on here. Oh my goodness, that guy is something else. I'd rather have him contact Jim Shepard, Admiral Jim Shepard. He's a lot more nicer Admiral. But don't get a hold of Bullshank. You don't want that. Oh no, not at all. Don't want that at all. So I told my friend to keep me up to date of what's going on over there. So I just figured it just kind of mentioned about it. Chief Engineer Red personal log out. Really? You gotta be kidding me. You really gotta be kidding me. I gotta make a log of this. Admiral Bullshit personal log. Unbelievable. If Ferengi has contacted me and demanded me to replace the thruster pack unit, I'm not doing that. I am not doing that. That Ferengi vessel is old. It's a trader ship. It's old. Very old ship. There's no freaking way I'm gonna replace that unit. It's not our fault, it's piece of crap. It ain't our fault at all. Not at all. Maybe he should take better care of his equipment. It's like, I had to get my damn android, Sci-Fi Moron. What a name, Sci-Fi Moron. Just to track through the ship into XR Station. And they dealt with the Mandrill there. Mandrill Anazuna. And it's like, alright, so I contact the manager. I said, what can you do with this? They says, we don't know. We'll have to check it out and see what we can do. I'll be damned, am I going to replace a thruster pack on a Ferengi vessel? I know we all have to intermix with different species, but it's not our fault that that thruster unit is messed up. It is fracked up beyond belief and needs to be replaced. I've read Chief Engineer Red's report, and his recommendation was replace the whole unit. It is trash. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So I advise XR Station to do what they can. And let me know. Keep me up to date. Admiral Bullshit personal load out. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And that Ferengi had a yell and scream at me. Unbelievable. Dang.
Man, you gotta be kidding me. What a report this is. What a report this is. Admiral Jim Shepard, personal log. I just got a report from Axonar Station that a Ferengi trader vessel that was repaired a couple months ago, and Chief Engineer Red assisted. They did the best they could, according to the reports, to get the darn thing fixed properly. They even got the diagram from the ship. That's what the report says. And now he's back there demanding a brand new thruster pack unit to be installed, since the thruster unit he had was unfixable. He's demanding for a new thruster pack to control his thrusters. Say that 5 times yeah, say that 5 times fast and twist your tongue. Dang. So, and I heard from Admiral Bullshank. Woohoo! I heard from him. Man, Bullshank is not happy. Man, he's supposed to be becoming Fleet Admiral next year. But, man, he is not happy at all. But the only thing I told Axonar Station is to keep me up to date what's going on. Since Bullshank is in charge of that, let him handle that. But it's like, wow, it's really something. Hope ain't gonna be no interspecies problem here. I mean, we're supposed to help every species out there, Alien. We're supposed to help everybody. Let's just put it that way. Help everybody. Help everybody out there. Not a member of the Federation, but the Fringy are, as far as I know they are. But, yeah. They scream and yell, you gotta replace the thruster pack. Well, better save up your money there, Mr. Fringy. 5 to 10 bars of gold pressed latinum. You better go to a bar and spin the wheel and see if you can make some money that way. Oh man, oh man, oh man. What a report I have on my desk over this. Crazy situation. Oh well. Admiral Jim Shepard's personal log, out.
It's blocking the way. Quite unnecessary to raise your voice, Mr. Billy.
My plan was executed perfectly. I said things was gonna happen soon, in a week or two, or even a month or so. Oh yeah, it just warms my heart up that the thruster pack is no longer working. I need my payment from Sci-Fi Moron. I hope I get a lot of gold pressed platinum for this. Yeah. Felt really good to blow that sucker up.
Welcome to the Galaxy News Desk. I'm Zion, your reporter for tonight. Up in the news, the Fringy trader vessel was tractor beamed by his faithful android Sci-Fi Moron. The thruster pack that they fixed a couple months ago malfunctioned. The Fringy has written to the admirals at Starfleet Command demanding a new thruster pack. We'll keep you up to date as this story develops. Have a good evening and take care, and we'll see you next time.
Captain's Log Supplemental. The Ferengis and their trader ship, they're having issues. They spent all their gold pressed latinum to get the ship fixed, and back in running condition. They made a few runs on their route, with their trading, and their thruster pack went out. So now they're being towed back to the planet to get some more work done. But the only problem is they have no more gold pressed latinum left. So I don't know how they're going to pay for that thruster pack, but hopefully things work out well for them, because they are just having a real rough time of it this year. So that's all I have for now. Captain Mark, commanding the USS Crytek, out.
Welcome back to Galaxy News. This is your news commentator, Noikin. Tonight's headline news is the Ferengis and their trader ship. But before I bring you the news, let's hear a word from our sponsor. Tonight's sponsor just released a new product to help with them headaches. This works really well. It catches the nerves in the neck, and gets us up in the forehead. And you turn it on and it vibrates a little bit, actually quite a bit. Oh man, that feels good. And it'll take your headache right away. Oh man, does that feel nice. It might even make you go to sleep. To receive more information and to order, contact us at BR549. Now let's make it back to the news. So the Ferengis got their trader ship up and running. They've been traveling the galaxy, and they are making a lot of gold press latinum to replace everything they had spent. What? It's not running? It broke down again? Thruster pack. So they lost money. And they need more money to fix it. Okay. Never mind. This is News Commentator Doikin. Thanks for joining us tonight, and everybody have a good evening.